Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at XCN, both the Wyckoff view as well as the daily chart to see what's the latest price actions. And remember, these are education content only, not financial advice. So, before we dive into the chart, one very key thing is that whether a crypto project is successful depending on many factors. Technical analysis is only a study of trading behaviors. So we'll start with the daily chart. And here we talked about last week that when we get closer to May 27th, we'll get a confirmation of two C's. Okay? The first C is a change, whether the price will find support at the support line of 0.0046. And then, continue to trade sideways between that level and the blue key level of 0.0051. Or a continuation. So the other C is continuation with the downtrend. So around that day, we get that confirmation because the rejection along the ceiling of the downtrend came in. So it broke the support line and head towards a lower level. The key level below is 0.004. But looking at what happened back in December last year, as well as the beginning of January this year, it may find intermediate support around 0.0042, roughly at that range, okay? So somewhere between this point. So let's adjust this box a little, just to make sure those candles got it. So what's the new indicated date then? Right over here is 4th of June, meaning it's still before our next session, okay? So if by then you don't see a break outside of the downtrend, that means it is definitely going to test this light blue key level. And if that happens, that means it is lower than the low end of last year, beginning of this year. We want to see whether there are any references. So I shared this before for XCN. The low of the 2003-2004 accumulation cycle was actually all the way to the red key level of 0.0007. Yes, 000. So what that means is a drop of almost 85% from the current level. If XCN's price is really going back to the low back in 2023. Okay, that's like a very pessimistic scenario. We don't want to see that happen, but I want to let you know the downside risk. Okay, so monitoring this trend is key because if it managed to bounce back up from the 0.0042, roughly around that range, that's a good sign. That means it is stabilizing. The previous support still has effect. So what about the bigger picture? We talked about this that in the accumulation cycle currently, it's still kind of somewhere between the early stage to mid stage of the accumulation. We haven't seen a solid sign of strength yet. Okay, that means a price surge to the previous automatic rally level around the orange key level of 0.0096 all the way to the light blue key level of 0.0134. So that was the range being shown during the beginning of this month, this year. So we want to see sustained higher than average volume. You see the volume has been pretty low. We want to see something higher than the average and the price go up to challenge that particular range. That's the sign of money coming back to XCN, but that may not be like a happily ever after scenario. Okay, it's not a guarantee that it shoots to the moon immediately. So look at what happened back in 2024. That was the sign of strength I was describing, higher than average volume at the bottom. Okay, then what happened? The price retraced after it retested the level set by automatic rally, right? Went all the way very close to where the selling climax was. okay, at one point. Stabilizes, build a path long, sideways trading between the two key levels, and then boom. Then it went up for 2 weeks, okay? 2 large white candles before it fell. And then the subsequent, you can say a second test or last point of supply where whales offload most of their stock, and then price drop back to the accumulation cycle. So that's what we're looking for XCN. Okay, so remember, being a channel member gives you 48 hours earlier access. So join the other channel members now. And for a weekly write-up about the crypto market, you can find it on Substack at SLS. See you in the next video. Thank you.